everyone, it's Cece here, and in today's very quick tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make these very cute and super easy spiral keyrings. So for today's keyring, I'm using this 5mm 3-strand twisted cotton cord. You could use anything from a 3 to 5mm, and it doesn't really matter what type of cord it is. The only one I probably wouldn't use is a braided cord, because then it's going to be hard to brush out the fringe at the end. So I've just cut my cords to the following lengths. I have 2 cords that are cut to 70 centimeters each, and then I have one other cord cut to 40 centimeters. Now you're also going to need a little clip for your keyring, and I've got one that has this D-ring on the bottom, and the base of the D-ring measures 2 centimeters. So to start, I'm just grabbing one of my 70 centimeter cords, and I just want to measure 20 centimeters from one end, and then fold that like so. And then with this loop here, I'm going to create a lark's head knot around my keyring. So you should have one short end and one long end. So I'm just going to repeat that with the other cord. This time though, when I create my lark's head knot on the keyring, I want to make sure that my 2 shorter cords are on the inside of the cord, so they'll be sitting like so. I'm just pulling on those lark's head knots nice and tightly. And then your string should be attached like this. So now I'm just going to take my clipboard and clip my keyring in place so it doesn't move around while I'm knotting. And now I'm just going to create 14 half square knots to create a spiral knot effect. So here are my 14 half square knots to create my spiral. And then I'm just going to grab my 40 centimeter piece of cord. And I'm going to create a wrap knot around the bottom here. So just creating a little loop like so, placing it around my other cords and wrapping nice and tightly. I like to wrap about 4 times around the base. At this stage, I like to pull lightly on the ends here so they're nice and neat sitting inside the wrap knot. I've got no bunching above the wrap knot there. And then just cutting this end here to finish my wrap knot and pulling it through. Now just to finish this off, I'm going to trim the ends. And as a last little option, you can grab a comb and just brush out your tails so you've got a nice fluffy fringe. And so there you are, there is our finished little keyring. So there you go everyone, and that's how you create one of these very cute little spiral keyrings for yourself at home. I really hope you've enjoyed today's tutorial and you'll try them for yourselves. They're a great little gift to give to family and friends. Thanks for watching, and here's to finding our peace and creativity.